My name is Gary Loggins. I have a wife, Suzanne, Mackenzie, my daughter's 17, my son is Garrett, he's 12. And the good Lord has called my family to go serve Him in Royton, Honduras. Honduras is the second poorest nation in the Western Hemisphere next to Haiti. We've made many trips to Honduras, and it's very eye-opening to actually understand that people live on $20 a month, something like that. It's like $1 a day.
We'll be working with through World Missions with the Christian Social Ministry, and we are very excited about going and can't wait to get there.
What I like about Honduras is it's more like a home to me, I guess. I feel very at home here in the United States, but Honduras is just so, I guess, welcoming, and the people are so just real, and I love it.
Our main project is helping to open the clinic. That has been a building that's been sitting there for about 5 years and has only been barely utilized, doing a few services like hypertension and diabetes, but it needs to be opened as a full-blown clinic and surgery center. The long-term goal is to hopefully be able to build some additional rooms for hospital overnight stays. But we are, have been called to go down and help them open up this clinic and help them get it running smoothly, and then to begin training in some of the diagnostic areas where they need training. We plan to get medical equipment such as ultrasound, mammography, and x-ray, along with some other things, but those are the things that I'm trained in and can actually help the nurses down here learn how to do that.
2006, we had a doctor from Honduras come to our church, and he specifically came for an ultrasonographer. They needed an ultrasound machine, and they needed somebody to come teach them how to use it. And it just so happened that my wife's business had been coming to an end, and through a miraculous occasion, God brought us together.
Hello, my name is Roman Cruz, and I am here with my son Jonathan, who is going to speak to you about our project here in Honduras.
Hello, my name is Jonathan Cruz. The Christian Medical Clinic is located in one of the most neediest places of the city, San Pedro Sula. Our patients are one of the most poorest and needy people of our city and even country. We have the lowest prices in the market. We do this to help the people, and we charge a little bit because we have to pay the doctors and the people that work at this clinic. One of the most need that we have in the clinic is the need for an x-ray machine, for an ultrasound machine. We have general doctors, we got specialties, and we have we do even surgeries in our clinic.
And my wife knows she has modalities. She can train them in ultrasound, x-ray, and mammography, all. And they need, the clinic on Royton was built about 5-6 years ago, and that clinic is just pretty much empty, and they need equipment not only for that clinic, they have 11 other clinics throughout Honduras that need everything. They have the personnel and the want to serve their people, they just don't have the resources to do it. The clinic in San Pedro Sula, they've came to me and asked me, or told me they need a surgery bed. And I don't even know where to begin to look for a surgery bed. But again, God in a miraculous way showed me a company in Nashville, Tennessee, that they answered me in a way that they said, we can not only provide you a surgery bed, but we can provide you exactly the surgery bed that they would need.
I feel like if he calls people, he calls the whole family. I feel like it's not just my parents. I I've witnessed everything that my parents have been through, and I've been a part of everything, and I feel like I have definitely been a part of the calling. I have very much, I have as much feeling for Honduras as my parents, and I just feel like I have a lot to do there as well.
God literally called the Loggins family to go do this, and believe me, it was not an answer that came quick. It was one that took a while, but I remember specifically God saying to me that if you'll just say yes, that me and my people will take care of you and you'll be able to do what I've called you to do. And that's what we're trying to do, is we're asking you to partner with us in what God has called us to do in Honduras. And that's to help a very poor people with equipment and supplies and health care that they so desperately need.